Hello, morning everyone. Welcome to today's meeting. In this meeting, I will talk about how to use the template to create presentation. Is the sixth topic. We're going to talking about the first. We're going to talking about create a presentation from the template. And also we're going to add the text. So also we're going how to add the text, image, smart art, chart, and video, the PowerPoint. After we created some slide talking about how to add the transition and animation. So after that one, I'm going to save to create the presentation on the OneDrive because everybody in the WeekTag we have the OneDrive. You can save. Also, we're going to share the work with the other. This is the sometimes you work on the project. So you have them like a group people to work the one PowerPoint. So you can use the share function to share the PowerPoint. So everybody in the group, you can work with the the each different part. Also, you can work separate at home. So this is the good functional to work on the group or the share. Okay, so we start first. We're going to start read presentation from template. So to do that one, so we going to open the PowerPoint. So we click the start button and click the PowerPoint. Then we choose the new. Okay, that have the box. You can search the online template. Suppose we type in some keyword. So we want to create some education related template. Okay, so we're going to find that one. Hey, they have a lot over there. So we just pick the simple one, right? Like the nitro something over there, right? So then we're going to create the template. So we can see in this template, they have did a lot of things that going here. So if we going to see, they have the different template over there. So basically, when we create, why they use the template? Because we don't want to do much work to do each, like the layout, where we're going to put the picture, some kind we put the table, chart, and smart art. So that one, the template, basically we gave to the each example, the slide. So we're going to use all that slide to do the work. So this is the created presentation from the template. And after we create that one, so next we're going to add the slide to the presentation, right? So we have the three way you can add slide to the presentation. We can use the new slide, like we're going to the here. You go to the home type, going to the click the new slide arrow. So we can see they have some layout over there, like title, contents, normal going to the use. Maybe I have two contents and some picture with the caption, and maybe we just need the title only. So you can create the new slide. You can choose the different layout. Okay. And next, we can use the duplicate select slide. So usually we use the template to do most to do that one. Yeah, we just go to the slide you want that slide. We going to the duplicate that slide. Later we're going to show you how to do that one. Another one, we can use the reuse the slide. So suppose you already did some work in the before, but I want to add the contents to that slide, so we can insert from the other PowerPoint the file, insert that slide to a work slide. So basically we have the three way. Also they have the slide from the outline. So that you suppose that you have the Microsoft Word file, you put the outline in the Word file, and then you can insert from the Word file, directly insert to the PowerPoint. But that way, you're going to have to do some reordinary some things. So that we are not today. We are not talking about that one. So we just the three way we add the slide. So next we just use that one, right? We just create the template. So we want to use the template. So we can use the new slide. Going to the here, we add to the title and the contents. So you can add the title, you can add the contents. And also we have in the template, we have this one. This is the title and the contents. Then the layout, the title and the contents layout with the list. So we also can use that example slide to duplicate. So we can do the select that slide we want to duplicate. Then go to the new slide. We click the duplicate slide. Okay, so you see we have the two slides. It's the same thing. Then you just change this one maybe we can change this one with the later we're going to the change. And for this one, because you need add to your title, also you need add the text. So it's hard when you use the duplicate, that one. Also, we have another one. We can use the reuse the slide. So I just click the reuse the slide. This is in the my slide. I just the example slide before I am create. So we can take that one. This one we have the title slide, right? But if we just want to use the contents, we can uncheck. This use the source formatting. Suppose we're going to add to the title slide, right? So we can see we want to add the title slide. You can see they get the reuse slide, they automatically create your title slide. Okay. You can delete that one because also we can, this is we just use the new slide. Okay. Another way maybe we can also we want to insert that one after the title slide. Okay. So we just add to another slide with the title and the contents, the layout to the here. So we can check what is the layout for that one. So you just click the arrow on the layout. You can see that is show the title and the contents. But you can see in the here, we use like the original, the source format, and the is different. We did the template. So anytime if you want to reuse the slide, you can just add the content to that slide. Okay, so we can back to the, so this is just we have the 3 way to add to the slide. So next, we're going to add the text and the format. So usually in the PowerPoint, when you click the text placeholder something, you can see the font in the ribbon. They have the font, paragraph, so all that one you can edit the text. So example, we have used that one. So maybe we want, this is the titles. This is the title. This is we just add to from. But we want the contents like this. So so we can edit the text. So something we want, maybe we change the text, the font, something, you can change. I just choose anyone, but basically I like the use the template, the default font. We just not to do the much for the edit the add the new font. Also you change font size, and then also you can from here you can change the font size. Also you can to do the bullet, right? So this is all is the maybe we add to the style for that one. Got it, right? So also maybe we want this is color. We got some kind the color. So also we can do some. This is the you're going to the. This is the. We can change the character between the character space. Also, we can do the something we want to change, and that also we can change in the contents. We can change the paragraph, right? So we're going to do this is just like you work on the Microsoft Word. So you're going to have the line space. Suppose we change to the 1.5 and align left, center, and right, or whatever you want to change. Also, if you want something, they get the 2 column, right? You can also change the 3 column and the more column. This is also you can align the text. So if we want this one, we want in the middle, right? So we can change it like this one. And this is the basically you can edit the text used in the home type, font type, and the paragraph. Also, you can click the arrow on the paragraph. You can open dialog box for the paragraph. So also you can doing something, anything else. This is just for the same the Microsoft Word. So we are not going to do that one. Also, if we can change this is the title and the contents layout with we want with the number list. So we can change this one to the number list. Also, if you want the ABC something, so you can change that one. So the character, so you can do ABC and ABC and 1, 2, 3 and whatever you want to change. So that is you can change paragraph. You just click the object, the outline. So you can see that the outline change to the solid line. So you can to do the any change, you can do the all change one in the one time. Okay, so also they have the like you can convert that list to the others, right? So you can change it to the smart art something. Okay, later we're going to do that. So this is the basically the Boolean list. Sometimes when you do the Boolean list, you don't want the Boolean like this. So maybe you can change the something if you want to change this way, and you want another way. You suppose we want some picture to do the bullet list. So we can search to online picture, right? How about the bird? Okay, so let me find some bird. Okay. Okay, I like this one. So we can insert the picture to the Boolean list. But you can see that the Boolean is bird. Maybe the too small that you can't see. And so you can, if you want to change, you can see the more bird. So we can change that one to the this is you can do the customer change. Okay, so you can see you get the bird for your bullet list. So this is the just the trick you can you can do that. Okay, so this part we did the how to the add the and for format text. We're going to use the font paragraph. This is just like work in the Microsoft Word. Okay. So next we're going to do, you can add to the picture, you can add to the shape, add to icon, smart art, and the chart into the PowerPoint. So also you can add to the video. So we're going to show you how to do that. So next we go to the example, that one. So to do the, maybe we need to use the two, maybe we use the two contents layout. We can add the picture, we can add to the icon, we can do something else. So we choose the first we just duplicate the two contents right with the table, right? So we just we want to insert the picture. So we're going to duplicate this one. So this is the two contents, right? So we're going to delete. When we delete that one, so the layout you can see in the that called the text holder, right? So you can see you can add to the table. So we just delete that one. You can add to the insert the chart, smart art, and picture, and online picture. And also you can use the video icon, right? So we're going to show you how to do that one. Okay, so we're going to the add picture on the first. We're doing add the picture. So we're going to insert the type. So you can see that is the picture. So we click the arrow on the picture. If you have the picture already in your computer, so you can from this drive. Also, we can insert the online picture. Okay, they have a lot. So maybe I just okay, they have a lot of bird picture, right? So which one? Okay, I like this one. Then we go into the insert. So you can see we have the bird. We have the bird over there. Okay, so right now we get the picture from the online. If you want edit the picture, just select the picture. You can see the type have the picture format over there. So you can add to the picture style like something. You can add the different frame. So this one they have the drop shadow. So maybe you can get that one. Also, if you think that the size too big, so we can change a little bit. And you can move whatever you want. Change a little bit. Also, when you do you can add some called the alt text. We can type. Okay. So you can see this have in the right side we have a lot similar. We work the slide. They gave some idea you can design. So this is the new for the PowerPoint. So if this is just the basically content, two contents layout with the picture, right? And so they get some idea over here. So suppose you like this layout. So we can change, use the designer. This is the PowerPoint designer. We can do in the redesign your layout. So this is the insert the picture. Okay, we have another duplicate. So we're going to have maybe we want to insert the smart art. So we're going to insert and we get the smart art over here. Maybe we want some circle process. So the normal we can use this one and click the OK. So we get this one. Then also you can type in the text. I just type in and so we add to the smart art. Then we're going to do this is have some design idea for that one. Also, we can do the reformat that one. Okay, so we can change if you doesn't like this, we can change this one. Also, you can change the color, right? So we can change to the multiple color. This is the default right now. So maybe we can change to blue one, right? When we get that one, also we want to change some style. Maybe we want the 3D look like better, right? Okay, so also if you have you want the item more, right? So we can add something. So you can do add the sweep. So the right, left. So we can select something. We add more list over there. Something you can work. You're going to add more. Okay, so also if you don't want that one, you can change by go to the other. And you want to change the color and whatever you want to change. So that is that you can use the smart R to do your okay. When you're done that one, you also you can do the designer something they gave to some different layout choice, so you can change. Okay. Another way we can maybe we can yeah, we can use the insert the chart. This one in the template we already have the chart example. That is the title, contents, layout with the chart. Okay. So if you want to change the chart contents, so you just select that chart, then go to the chart design. Okay. So if you want, because that is just they give to the example category 1, category 2, category 3, and 4. Also, they have the chart title and the series 1, 2, and 3, right? So also you can edit. So if you want to edit the date, you can give to new date over there. So you can change the head. Series 1, you can change maybe for the student 1, student 2, student 3. And the category, maybe we're going to do the class 1, class 2, class 2, 3, and class. If you just add, you have this, you can just delete, just have the class 2, right? So you can delete. Then you change to, you back the 3 category. Also, you can change the label, category 1, 2, 2, 3, we can change to class 1. Then the data, maybe we can change to the student scored, like 71, 89, and 88, or whatever you can change. So you can go to the here. But if you want to edit, use Excel, you can choose this one. They're going to open to Microsoft Excel to do your chart edit. So because in the Excel, we have a lot of things that edit. We can do some change over here. Then when you close that one, also you can change over here. So that is basically you can add the chart to the PowerPoint. Also, you can choose the different style, right? So maybe you change the something, and if you want to format something, yes, whatever you want to change. So you can going to do the reformat that one. Okay, so this is we can doing to insert some chart on the presentation. Okay, on the table, right? We did this one. So next, we're going to, oh, I remember they have another cool things. So you can insert the 3D model over here. So let me go to, suppose we're going to the duplicate this one. Okay, so this one we delete. This is, you can, we're going to change back the layout to the two contents layout, right? We change back to the normal, that one. So, okay, so this is one, we can insert the 3D model. So we can go into the insert, that is very cool. If you work on some story, right? They also have the animation over here. So this one, we have some, okay, I like bird. So I just choose that bird. Okay, we get the bird. Okay, so we can add this bird. Also, I want them over here. So this one, and we're going to change this one to, okay, and also that one you can play. Okay, I want to make a duplicate. Just do another one. We just change different. Some different ways. So also you can move whatever you want to do, right? Okay, so that is the cool things. So you can see you have the three bird over there I like this one. If you bought some kind of the story, you can use that the 3D model. You can make the very interesting something. This is the this is a new feature for the PowerPoint. So later you can interesting. You can take a look at that one. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the text. So and also you can do the icon just like the add the picture. Okay, next we're going to talk about how to you guide the online video. Suppose you go to the YouTube, then you can insert some picture on your PowerPoint. Okay, so I just found some picture. So you do this way, you have to go to the like the YouTube, then you find some interesting video. Then you're going to click the share button, and they're going to show the link. You just copy that link. So we're going to the insert to PowerPoint. So in the PowerPoint, how do you do the add the online video to here? So basically we go to the insert, and they have the video from here. Did you see the bottom? They have the online video. And when you click on here, they're going to show ask you paste the URL, the link to here, so you can do the insert. Okay, so next we're going to the example to do that one. Okay, we're going to insert the new slide. We just with the so we want to insert the online video over here. So the first, we go to the internet. Okay, so we go to the YouTube. Okay, we're going to something search. Okay, that have the, yeah, this is for the top 10 PowerPoint new feature, so you can take a look. We want this video, so we click this video. So we want to select that video, we insert the PowerPoint. So we can go to click on the share. You can see that one. They have the address, URL. This is the video. Then you can click the copy. Okay, so you can see then copy to the. Okay, so right now we can close that one. Then we want to insert the, maybe we want the two contents, that one. So we can, this is basically, you can, if you video on the drive, so you can go this way, you can find the video, then you insert. But right now we want to insert from the online video. So they click the insert, we clicked on the video, and we get the online video. So we just paste the link. You can use Control V, the link, we just copy that one. Then we go into the insert. Okay. You can see the video over there. So maybe we can take a look. Okay, so this good video. If you have the time, you can take a look. So right now it's working, right? But so basically you can edit the format the video. When you select the video, you can do some same thing, right? We can add the different frame, and maybe you want the border, some kind of color, and inside the different shape or whatever. Then you get the effect something, whatever you want to change. But the importance, they call the playback. When you do the presentation, so basically, if you want automatically to play the video, so you can choose the automatically calling, right? So something, if you do the slideshow, so you can take a look the beside the automatically, right? So suppose we start the slideshow from here, and click the go to next. See, that going to might play. But if you want to control that one, if you want to control the video after you clicked, so you can change back to playback to the in the click sequence. So when you do the when you do the presentation, okay, they're going to the, so we have to play on the here. You click on the, if you didn't click, you're not going to the play, so you can click on the play on the video. Okay, so that is the insert the video on the PowerPoint. So next we can add to the presentation the transition on this one. I think next going to add the transition to bring the presentation to life and make your presentation the more. Also, we can do the together, add some animation. So to do that one, so we also go back to this one. So first, we just apply so we can do the presentation on over here. This is the default they did. Suppose okay, we can experience for each one. So that is going to show the different way and someone. So maybe I like this one. When you're doing this one, probably you want the animation go through the entire slide, so you can do in apply to all. So that we're going to do the on the mouse select. When you click on the slider, they're going to go through to each slide. Okay, so we can. This is your how to your add to the add slide. Another way we can also add some animation to the. Okay, so we want this one. This is the smart art going to the change. So we're going to select that one. Then we're going to add some animation. Something, maybe we choose that one. Just add something. Also, when you choose the animation, you can see that I have the one over here. It means we add the animation there. So they have the different choice. This is and one object. Maybe you want to do the one by one. So see what happens. One, something like this. So you can add to the option. We don't. So we don't want to have to look like too much. Also, you can add the sun over there. Okay, and go back, add to. So something, let's check that one. Okay, we can do in the tool. Basically, we don't want too much more in the presentation. So when you're doing the PowerPoint condition and animation, so we just used one or two different styles for the presentation. Not too much over there. So that is we're going to. So next, we're going to talk about how to save to the OneDrive. That is the easy, right? So just like you save to the, okay, so if you want to see we did we can take a look at the slideshow. You're going to, when you click that one, go to next, 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 and next, and next. Okay, this killed bird. Also, they have the sweet bird over here. So you see, we add the animation over here. Okay. Okay, we're done. Also, we did you can see we did the menu control that one. So you have the one that we're going to next we're going to the save that one to the OneDrive. So we just go to the file, click on the save as, and we choose the OneDrive. And probably you choose the WeTech OneDrive. Then you type in the presentation name, whatever you want. This is the one, right? So if you want everything to the one folder, you can create the folder to hold that one. I just example that one. Then you go to the save. Okay, after you save that one, also you can do the share. So in how to do the share, you can click on the share. Okay, this is not finished upload to the OneDrive. Okay, maybe I just change to another one, right? This is my presentation, right? So we can do the share that document to somebody, right? If you do the group, so maybe you have the group name, then if you want the other person, you can edit that one. Also, you can add something like edit the. Okay, so maybe we want computer somewhere, right? This one. Also, you can add some message. Okay. Okay, then you're going to share. If you put your group, I'm not going to the sun that one because we are not supposed to go to the here. I just found some email over there, and you can do the share that one. Also, you can copy the PowerPoint the link on your OneDrive, so you can copy that one. That is the OneDrive. Then you can create you can send email, give to the copy. So that is the last things. We're going to the how to the share the PowerPoint. We're going to do that one. So click the share button, send to the link, and you can change the somebody if you group you edit from different place, so you can give to the edit the right, then you're going to the send to. You can put the email and the group name and whatever you want to put it. You can do the share. Okay, maybe I talk too much. So that is the today we talking about how to create the PowerPoint. Okay, so I already put the PowerPoint over the chat windows. So you can download if you like. Okay, you have a good day. Do you have any question for that one?